All right, we're going to be looking at the rubber plant, which is the common name of this species. And we're going to be, I want to focus on the uses that it has as in rubber production and its medical uses, because those are the two most important aspects of this plant. Some background of it is from the family Meraceae, and it is native to India, but has become popular in Florida and other places like the West Indies and Sri Lanka. That's why you can see it as a house plant. It's also a house plant because it has it has tolerance for indoor lighting. So as you can see, it's a pretty big plant. Inside it reaches about 2 to 3 meters, but even just 6-10 feet. This one's even smaller. You know, there's 32 species, so it can range from a lot of different sizes. But outside they grow pretty tall, up to 30 feet. There isn't really any edible parts of this plant. It does some grow fruit, but that's not edible. So let's move on to the scientific name, which is Ficus elastica. And you can tell from the name that it's going to produce elastic or latex, right? It's going to produce that hydrocarbon that rubber is, which is interesting because hydrocarbon is nonpolar, which means it's hydrophobic. It doesn't mix well with water, which is interesting because it's able to produce that because of because it has specialized cells called latticifers, and those are located in the inner bark of the tree. And the mixture of water, sugar, and proteins help create that latex that is used to make rubber. So when the bark of the tree is punctured, the latex flows out of the latticifers and coagulates to make the latex. And the latex is the ingredient that we use to make rubber, and that comes from the inner bark of the tree. The health benefits, there's a lot of health benefits ranging from cancer and just the minerals that you can find in it. There's a lot of nutritional value, like they're rich in vitamins and calcium, vitamin C, iron, you know, all the macronutrients. And it's also it's used in science a lot for medicine, has potential treatment for arthritis, muscle pain, and inflammation. A lot of health benefits for there. Back to the production of rubber. You would think that rubber is just made for industrial reasons like tires and surgical gloves, but researchers are actually finding that there's the latex that can stop the growth of certain types of cancers, which is super cool, and a lot of medicine research going into it.